Hi, I am Brij Kumar from Gurgaon Academy. I am physics and maths teacher for IB curriculum. So today we are going to talk about calculus, differential calculus. So we could be doing some questions based on exponential function and logarithmic function. These are very, very important types of questions which are coming. Sometimes these questions are really tricky as well. So how to solve the questions based on exponential and logarithmic. So suppose let us do few questions. If questions we have like this, fx equal to e raised to power under root of x. So very simple. As we know the formula for derivative of e raised to power x, or if we remember like this, e raised to power u. So what we have is e raised to power u times derivative of u, that is du by dx with respect to x if we are doing. Exactly the same way we can solve it. F dash x will be e raised to power square root times derivative of under root of x. So this we have e raised to power square root, and now this is x raised to power half. So this half will come outside and then we will reduce power by 1. So what we are getting further, e raised to power under root x times 1 by 2 is outside, then x. Now 1 by 2 minus 1 gives you negative half. So it is like e raised to power under root x times 1 by 2 x raised to power negative half. This will go in the denominator, making a square root of x. So we can write it here like e raised to power square root divided by 2 square root of x. So this is the derivative of e raised to power x. Second question, if we can take based on again this exponential type, like we have here, I am writing fx equal to e raised to power sine 3x. So very simple. What we can do is f dash x would be e raised to power sine 3x times derivative of sine 3x. So here this formula is again useful. E raised to power u gives us e raised to power u times du by dx. So we could be doing here e raised to power sine 3x times derivative of sine u. In fact, so this is sine 3x. So formula we are using for the same. If we have dy by dx of sine u, this gives you cos u times du by dx. So whatever is there in the parenthesis, we have to take derivative it separately. So this is going to give you derivative of sine 3x would be cos of 3x times derivative of 3x. And derivative of 3x is nothing but 3 times 1. So this is 3. So we could be writing here 3 times e raised to power sine 3x times cos 3x. So this is the derivative of e raised to power sine 3x based on this formula. So these are the two questions which we have done on the basis of exponential functions. Another one, if we talk about logarithmic functions. So in general, in calculus, whenever we are solving the questions based on log, it means we have to talk about ln, that is called natural log, which the base we have e. So if we have a question like I am taking y equals ln sine x. So what formula we have to apply for solving it? It's very simple. If we do derivative of ln u, this gives you 1 by u times derivative of u would be du by dx. So we have over here dy by dx will work like ln, this is our something like u. So first of all, we will write 1 over u, that is 1 over sine x times derivative of sine x. We write like this way. So derivative of sine x is going to give you cos x. So we could be writing here cos x divided by sine x. We can write in cot x. If we are doing in HL maths, we can write cot x. Otherwise, we can leave cos x by sine x directly. There is no such difference as such. One more question based on ln, that is, if we have y equal to ln x cube, simply anything, the power over here, first it comes outside, then we can differentiate it later. So 3 times ln of x. So now derivative of y with respect to x, this 3 is outside, derivative of ln x would be 1 by x. So we are going to write as 3 over x. So whether the question is based on log or based on e raised to power anything, in both cases we have to keep in mind that the steps which we are doing has to be followed very cautiously, so that there should not be any mistake coming out of any of the steps we are doing complete questions on the basis of it. So we can do more questions practice in the next video. Thank you very much.